You've seen it around, and you get what it is. So if you don't own a Centipede portable workstation yet, let us show you what you're missing. Pros everywhere have put Centipede to work in dozens of innovative new ways. Just throw it and go. Centipede makes it easy to bring your workspace with you. And it's even easier to put away. No wonder Centipede is essential for so many pros. Maximize your job site to maneuver and squeeze more speed and productivity out of every inch of space. Centipede can support up to 3,500 pounds, and the compact design means it stores on standby until you need it. Centipede was made to be the easiest, most efficient workstation ever. Save time and get more done with Centipede for as little as $99. Order now and we'll include $20 of free accessories. Centipede is available in 4 sizes and comes with a lifetime warranty. Visit BoraCentipede.com and order yours today.